From pennies to purpose. When Daniel was 28, he had exactly $47.36 in his bank account. No savings. No investments. No backup plan. Every morning, he'd walk past the glass towers of the city, watching people in expensive suits rush into offices, holding lattes that cost more than his entire lunch. He'd think, how do they do it? What do they know that I don't? Daniel wasn't lazy. He worked 2 jobs, delivering food during the day, stocking shelves at night. But no matter how hard he worked, his money always vanished before the month ended. One rainy evening, while waiting for a delivery order, Daniel ducked into a small bookstore to stay dry. There, a worn-out book caught his eye, The Richest Man in Babylon. Price tag, $2. He bought it. That night, Daniel read it cover to cover. The idea was simple but hit him like a lightning bolt. Pay yourself first. Save 10% before you spend a cent. Invest it. Let it grow. It sounded almost too simple, but Daniel decided to try. Month 1, $50 saved. Month 2, $100. By the end of the year, he had $1,200. Then he learned about index funds. He opened a brokerage account. Every month, he added to his investments. 5 years later, Daniel wasn't rich yet, but he had over $68,000 invested, earning money while he slept. More importantly, his mindset had changed. Daniel realized wealth wasn't about luck, or a big break. It was about discipline, patience, and the courage to start, even when all you have is $47 and a dream. And now, when he walks past those glass towers, he smiles. Because he's not just chasing money anymore. He's building freedom.